The Elmo L-12W, a document camera for daily use. This device is especially suitable for schools in order to make lessons more interactive. For example, you can zoom into textbooks to get razor-sharp picture quality. Simply by using the zoom wheel, you can decide how far you want to enlarge the image. The live picture of the camera always provides you ideal image quality. This means that even delicate work can be shown well. You can also make video recordings, whether with slides or various other devices. Taking photos is also possible, which you can either save on a USB stick or on a SD card. The internal storage allows you to save data up to 6 GB on the camera. Furthermore, you can use the whiteboard function to create digital blackboard pictures at any time. At the same time, you also have the option of using the document camera as a webcam for web meetings and remote learning via USB connection. For example, the document camera is compatible with Skype, Zoom, Microsoft Teams and many other solutions. The camera has 4 degrees of freedom. These enable the camera to be optimally aligned in order to clearly represent the objects shown. In case you want to use a microscope, just use the optional microscope adapter, which can be easily attached to the camera head. With the QR code reader, you also have the option of scanning QR codes, which then forward you to a specific link. The camera also has Miracast, which wirelessly transmits the image to a monitor or a data projector. After selecting your Miracast receiver, the image is sent wirelessly. Additional functions can be used with the free Elmo software called EIT, Elmo Interactive Toolbox, which you can download from our homepage. Further information can be found on our website, in datasheets and manuals. We are also happy to provide rental equipment. Apart from that, we additionally offer workshops and product training on site free of charge. Just contact us and we will be glad to introduce you to the world of visualizers. Elmo, connecting minds.